Ameharibu ukuta kabisa. Haya ameharibu ukuta. Haya ameharibu ukuta. Hey. Hey guys, I destroyed my wall. Ona wewe hapa. Guys, I destroyed my wall. Oh my god. So guys, on this side we're demolishing. Our gate yesterday, the lorry got it, destroyed it, so today we're demolishing it so that we can build it again. Bomote. So guys, we want to start building. We're just waiting for the cements. They have not arrived. Zekapo, we want to start building using these stones. They're calling bush stones. Bush stones. They're so beautiful. You can see this one is gray, black. No, this one is purple, black, gray, and yellow. We are going to build them in the front here. We're demolishing it, I'm still removing it, you can see.
Masama, mnaenda church? Haya. Nimeshatuma. Achani fungue sasa na mtu.
Guys are building using my bush blocks. And you have Nico Buddha.
Yeah. Guys, Nico and Nico Buddha here.
Yes.
We are here today at Fadela construction site. You know, yesterday we have done a good job.
Very good job.
Yeah, very good job. And as you can see today, we are coming with a new different plan.
Yes.
Yes, but his plan is still same.
Yes.
But the
only
only
different is blocks.
Yeah, blocks. that we need to using here. So guys, this morning, and actually we are thanks God for Almighty for this chance of life, and also to give us energy to maintain this work. I also thank you for everyone who support Fadela to building this dream house, guys, in the village. So us, like a mason, like a handman, we are highly appreciate, because to see this continue is make us maybe to get something through Fadera and through you guys. So keep support, because you have more we need to sharing with you. Yes, especially in this construction, because sometimes you can learn maybe some we can change their planning to using some different, this is a stone.
Yes, this is a stone.
Yeah, but it's going come with a good shape and good looking of this dream house, guys. So thank you, and keep support, keep subscribe to Fadela Road to Success, and check me out, Nico_Buddha, top mason, guys.
Thank you so much.
And may God bless you.
Yes, you can see the good work of Nico Buddha.
Yeah.
Yes. And here we're building using bush, they call bush blocks.
Bush. Check.
Usinichukue Buddha kani nimesimama. Usinichukue kani nimesimama.
Peter. Njoo. Peter, nikikuita unachangamka basi. Lazima. Wani masabu tabia yangu anzisha.
Hata kama ni mngori aje lazima.
Lazima. Wewe kama kitu box. Hata kama
hata difla. Sasa unakuwa unalalamika mbaya sana. Sasa ni kumalizia.
wewe pole tu tunataka. Pode yangu. Sasa kimetosha, mrudishie hizo. Unajua muziki inapiga hapo na yeye anaweza kusapura kwa. Tutumiange hata akili. Copyright. Copyright. La. Tunalewana. Yeye unanikumbusha gasi hiyo sasa.
Takwambia wasimamishe nitakwambia. Ambia, angalia. Ambia huyo manamba atamwambia kila mtu. Manamba ni hapa.
Huyu anasimama.
Na huyo mwenye hapo.
Ndio, atawahi kutoka na anajafanyia.
Mimi nitoe tena nianze kutoa
Okay, brother.
Yes.
I need to go.
Yes.
Ziko zimekatwa ni ziko pande ile ndio wanaleta yangu.
There is a building, you can see how these Bushman blocks that they removed the house. And here our visitor, you want to say goodbye?
Guys, this is Geoffrey the Nomad.
Geoffrey the Nomad.
At Sadela's construction site. So please continue supporting him. Yeah, let's help one another. And the only way you can do it is just by liking, subscribe, and sharing the video.
That's true.
He's one of hard-working guy and a nice guy. So please check him out if you are coming from my site. And this is Geoffrey the Nomad, the only nomad in this world. So all the best in your life, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you for hosting me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Simonioni yangu. Ndio unatengeneza data masinitisha mwenyewe ndio haribika. Leta.
Kunde achiri kukira. Nyakundi, hata ni mzuri nimekumbuka. Kitiriva alituambia jana alikuwa tafute Dickson huko. Mkweli. Kitiriva alituambia alitupa kwa kata ulezi ananiambia tulikuwa na asili.
We are now building the last course. We're building the last course.
Wewe tutafuta jana kapiloleta kumola huko. Wallahi hivi. Wala. Nitaka
Iko chini. Hii. Iko chini sana hii. Imelala hivi. Umeona hapo?
Iko chini wapi? Toka jua mapande hii.
Pande hii.
Hapa.
Aisikati hivyo lakini iko chini. So guys, we are building on the 5 course. Then there's a tuk-tuk here, guys. So mainly the 1 cement, there's some cement here, 5 cements, wow. Some cement here came with Doreen. Najabe. Sak.
Wow, Sunny!
Yes,
How are you?
I'm good.
My superstar Diamond Platinum.
There's Faima here.
Wow.
How is it?
Fine, fine. And Faima.
Hi, yes, how are you?
Fine. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. I am happy to be back again on your channel.
Yes,
This is
you're
the second
welcome.
time. So hello guys, my name is Faima,
Yes.
Faima Travels, and I am at Dorina Elisha
Yes.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And this is my channel name. Let me show them my channel.
Sunny, how do you feel?
I'm doing good.
Uh-huh.
I'm happy to see you.
Happy meet you.
Yeah,
How
this
do
is
you
the
feel,
channel name.
Monango? Okay, guys, check her out. Faima Travel.
Faima Travels.
Wow, check her out. Subscribe for her. Road to success.
Yeah.
And we are
Welcome.
with Fadela finally.
Yes, welcome.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good.
Say hello for
Hello
people.
guys, welcome back to the Elisha YouTube channel. My name is Fadela TV.
Yes.
Yeah, here this is my construction site.
Yeah.
We're building a 3-bedroom house. Thank you so much for your gift.
You're welcome.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. It's my first time,
Yes.
and I say I don't come for your construction without something because
Yes.
you are my superstar.
Yes, the last
You're
time
my
we did the
son.
show, I was in your channel, maybe we did the show.
Did it the show?
Yes.
Yeah, it's my first time. So guys, it's just over here. Let me take thumbnail before this tuk-tuk guy going with Fatela. What's that thumbnail before I end it? No. My tuk-tuk. Or let me page him 1 minute, guys. What's her name? Matuchukue kabisa na
Guys, you can see the new look. Also here we're going to do like big ones, like we have did here. There's some parts yesterday we did not finish building and now finishing building them.
Ile kamba yule jamaa iko
So this part here in the store we did not finish building it, so we are finishing building it. Only this part have remained.
Mason ndio alisema hivyo.
Hey Masons, niko Buda. Niko Buda ndio engineer hapa.
Yes, mwenyewe anaenda kulipia pesa mingi sana kwa NASA. Wao wetu wanaitwa NASA. Wizi.
We are removing this concrete from here. We reuse it later. So guys, here I've received 5 bags of cement from Dorina. This one, thank you so much for somebody who has supported me. This will be enough to finish. You can see I've just demolished my gate. There will be enough to to repair my gate. Also, we finish here because just today I went to the more cements. Thank you so much for somebody who supported me. I'm really appreciating. They're now working the gate. You can see today we demolished the gate. So maybe I can go there and then we talk with my mason so that you can hear. Jose, you can see we have removed all this so that we can put again the concrete, and then we first put timbers, we put in a straight line, and then we put concrete. So this is the person who has been demolishing it.
Always Kibe. You can check me out as Always Kibe, guys. Kibe, that's Kibe. You can check me as Always Kibe. Share, comment, and like by supporting me to reach 1,000 subscriber plus.
Thank you.
Guys, here's work.
Thank you so much, bro.
Okay.
So guys, here is Jose, is the masons. We're trying to discuss how we're going to fix it today.
Reniga. Tukambende tiki.
Ana Jose, sasa tutaje kutoa zaidi hapo. Tuko sasa ndio. Si gate sinatolewa. So we're going to remove the gate. We are going to remove the gate. After removing the gate, to stand this on to stand straight, and then we put a kabiro. Kabiro, eh? Yes. Guys, here's work. You can see here with saved 5 bags from Dorina Elisha. Yes, here's our machine. Is our bush. They called bush blocks. You can see, guys, they're very different with these ones. Very, very different. This one is gray, purple, gray. This one is gray, black, purple, and then yellow. And then the yellow is very smart. You can see here. Wow. And here Dorina Elisha is the one who came with those bags of cements.
Yes, hi guys, welcome to Fadela TV channel. My name is Dorina, and I also have a YouTube channel, Dorina Elisha. I'm coming to visit Fadela. It's my first time to be in this site. I was coming in his home, which is right here.
The one who did my mom.
But for the site of where he's doing a construction, I didn't come. It's my first time, and I'm saying like, why I can go without something to support Fadela.
Yes.
So I come to surprise Fadela and to support Fadela for what he's doing. He's doing a good job for doing a dream, what he was dreaming, and finally God did it. And guys, for the people who support Fadela, thank you so much for support Fadela, and keep support Fadela. Soon to be in his dream house, and keep support Fadela family. These people is a good people, and also Fadela himself. I know you know their family through him. He's a good guy, and Fadela is a good guy actually. For the first time I meet him, until today he's a good guy. So, and also he's a superstar. So guys, in case you're watching, please subscribe, comment, share, and also I have a YouTube channel. If you don't know me, check me out, Dorina_Elisha. That is my YouTube channel name, Dorina_Elisha. If you are there, please subscribe, comment, share. I would really appreciate. I'm coming with a 6 bag of cement to support Fadela, and I really appreciate for you all for coming also to support Fadela for this, what he's doing here. God bless you and keep support Fadela. Soon we're gonna celebrate in Fadela new bungalow multi-million house.
Yes, new bungalow multi-million house.
Yes.
It's a multi-million because you can see in the block.
Yes, the block which Fadela is using to build this house is not a block, it's stone.
It's stone.
Stone, which the people is prepared, special people only prepare, and nobody. I didn't see the guy, the body, on any YouTuber build with this.
Nobody has ever built this one.
Yes, only Fadela in the village. yeah, and also me, I will copy and paste. I will copy and paste. So yeah, you know we learn through people.
That's true.
Yeah, we learn. So if you done this, and I will see what the people is doing here, and also I will like it, and I was like, I want to do some like Fadela house or Fadela, some design for Fadela. So yeah, guys, keep support, and the house is going very quick. And guys, please keep support Fadela, and soon we can be in the house to celebrate. like happy birthday house. Fadela,
Yes.
in a Mount Million house, how do you feel?
I'm feeling so happy. My life
What do you
is
say for your people?
yes, my life is changing. I'm appreciating their support. They've
Yes.
been so supportive. Yes.
Did you have an experience before to build the house
I never thought I'd build a big house in this age.
like this?
Yes.
And you never see it coming in this time.
I never see it coming. Even the chicken coop, the wall, I never saw them coming. They just came
Everything
like a
you
surprise.
just shock.
It's a miracles.
But the things I congratulate you.
Yes.
You know to manage what the bless which is coming. You know to manage, because there's some people, there's some guy like you, it can go to celebrate, but you still in your site. You still from morning till evening. You still in your site. You see how your mason is working. You see how he's building. When it's put bad, the what? The bricks, when it's put very bad, you can correct them. You see how they use material, you know. But some people, when this is blessed is coming, it's like, let me go. Let me going to end. Yeah, and people cannot see what he's doing, and they not concentrate. But you don't to manage.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's not easy. This experience is not easy, and that is coming like you was dreaming this.
That's
and
true.
you was want it, and it's happened, and you say like you don't want to waste time. Yeah, don't waste time for the blessing who is coming immediately. Use that time, use that opportunity like you want to be in that. So yeah, congratulations Fadela, and keep working hard and keep be strong. Yeah, so God protect you for your job, for your construction. Manage everything and handle everything. See how your people is doing, because you are the one you're gonna build, you're gonna live in this house.
That's true.
So you must correct people, you must tell people this, and you must see when you don't like something, say. If you are free to say it, like I don't like this, I like this. So yeah, you keep manage your work, keep manage your project, and never lose focus. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Don't mix with other people like it can come for you like, but for the let's go shere.
Let's go party.
Let's go party. No. Remember you have dream and you want to live in your dream. So your dream is very important more than party. Yes.
Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome. I'm always for you, and I'm always to support you and support each other also. Yes. Yeah, keep support each other, guys. Even not today is Fadela, tomorrow is another guy. We don't know. Tomorrow God is gonna do what. So keep support and keep handle our hands, because yeah, we are in this world to make sure God is gonna with us, and to pray God everything is gonna be okay, and through God or through you we're gonna be there. Okay.
Thank you so much.
So guys, I wish you all succeed Fadela for this, and God bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So guys, on this side we are building, we have demolished again so that we can prepare. Hey, Nico, I'm doing a very good work.
Wow, very smart. Very smart. Very smart. Very smart.
Nico Buddha, guys.
Nico Buddha here, guys. Top mason.
Yes.
Yeah, today I don't come with my element.
Yes.
Because my element, I have a meeting at my Yuguno there.
Yes.
And I forget yesterday. So guys, Nico Buddha here. Welcome at Fadela YouTube channel. I'm here and I'm continue to be here at Top Mason. And this is another day. As you can see, we are building this. Actually, guys, we need a smart work like Fadela is showing you. This is
smart work.
called the key. Yes.
Keys.
And that's why we need the retro motor. As you can see, 1 inch. 1 inch only. Yes. If it's be bad, 1.5 inch. Yes.
Hey,
So
good
guys,
work.
keep subscribe to Fadera YouTube channel. Keep support. Keep show love, guys. We are building Africa. As you can see now, Fadera, the house is taking a shape,
That's
guys.
true.
Yes, I know that after 3 or 2 days
We'll be done.
we'll be done until the
When
land.
we just put the rentals,
Yeah.
half rentals, we're going to put outside here, all outside here.
Yeah.
After we have done, you give me how many wire steel bars I'm supposed to buy.
Today we give you quotation of this
quotation.
bar steel.
Yes.
That we go to is outside only.
Only outside.
Yeah, the whole of outside only, guys. Keep doing. We are going to give you a quotation, and also for
Pillars.
Pillars.
Yes, pillars need
Because here
steel
we
bars.
have a double.
Double
and they
pillars.
have double pillar. They have one.
One
Yeah.
pillars. So
Yeah.
you need a lot of steel bars.
Yes, it's a lot. Here maybe you can have like four steel.
You
there.
will write for me later.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Nick.
Okay.
Work.
Yeah, work.
Hey guys, the work is so good. So guys are in lunchtime. And these are chief chef.
Tunasubiria kidogo ama
Nisubiri nini? Sina kitu nikula.
nataka ishike nini?
Oh, sawa. Maybe you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, guys, hello, welcome to Fadela Daily YouTube channel. Yeah, so as you see Fadela here, this is my Fadela. Hapa kuna moshi bana. Ndio hapa.
So you said there's a lot of mosh. I don't know mosh in English in smoke. A lot of smoke. Oh, you forgot to put where you're supposed to put. Guys are supposed to put here a table where people will be serving their foods. Where people will be serving our foods, we're going to put these timbers here so that people can put their foods here. We're going to put timbers here. We've already put poles, so just remain putting timbers. You can see here. When people want to eat, they can put our food on top here.
So Fadela, we finish there. So we are going
We're supposed to put before they eat.
Yeah, we are going to put today.
Yes.
What is the time now?
It's still time.
Still time. So we are going to put that where you can put the plates. Yeah, so guys, my name is Chiba. Yeah, I'm also guy doing the cooking. As you see here, every handman thanks me for what I do for.
Yes, good work you're doing.
Yeah, the good work I do to them. Yeah, so guys, I don't have much to say. What I really say that go and subscribe to Fadela Daily TV channel. And guys, come to my YouTube channel, subscribe, share, like and support. That's all I want. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So guys, lunchtime. After lunchtime, we're going to finish building our dream house.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
Yes.
In fact, we need to buy for our chef even a soda because since he came here, the food have been too delicious.
This man and Ken Gore, who is best?
For now, we can say
both,
but
both of them.
but the difference is one.
Yeah.
This putting a lot of the nani.
A lot of spices.
Yes.
For me, I don't like those spices. I really don't like them.
I prefer even me normal.
I like local things. Me,
What do you mean? Because you see, I've already changed his
even
face.
sometimes when I'm eating in a, maybe I want to go to a hotel, I cannot eat something that have been cooked without potato.
Okay.
How do you call tomato? Not potato, tomato. Yes, I don't eat anything that has been cooked with tomato in a hotel.
But on my side, this chef is good.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I'm already finished. Work.